In front of me is OSCAL Tiger 12, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by locating Recorder app. If you never used it before, select Allow in all pop-ups. Then, before starting recording, tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Now you can manage all of those options however you want to, like recording mode, and go back. To start recording, click on this red button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on this left one when recording is unpaused. And to end it and save it, select checkmark at the bottom right corner. Now to access list of all your recordings, click on this button with three lines, also at the bottom right corner, when recorder is off. As you can see, my recording is here. To play it, click on it. To rename it, you can hold it. Click Rename option at the bottom in the middle. Type in wherever you want to and hit Save. To delete it though, you need to hold it as well. But this time select Delete at the bottom right corner and hit Allow in the pop-up after selecting OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!